How to put digital creator on Facebook profile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to begin with initiating the process of adding digital creator on your Facebook profile. So first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application to check if you have the option to include digital creator on your profile. Noting that this feature is currently accessible to only a selected number of the accounts. However, let's verify this information. Proceed by opening your Facebook application and sign into your specific account. Once you have successfully logged in, locate and click on the three horizontal lines situated at the top right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down and tap on the Help and Support. Choose the Help Center option, and within the Help Center page, you will encounter a search box. Enter Digital Creator in the search bar, and additionally, you will see the list of suggested searches below. Click on the Digital Creator option and subsequently opt for Access Creator Support from Facebook. At this moment, it is evident that this feature is presently accessible to a limited audience. Consequently, you might not have the authorization to integrate Digital Creator on your Facebook profile. Therefore, it is advisable to exercise the patience until this feature becomes available and permitted on your profile. In conclusion, this tutorial has guided you on the process of adding digital creator on your Facebook profile, so I sincerely trust that this information proves beneficial in addressing your queries. Thank you for staying engaged until the conclusion. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one.